So before we take a look at the following footage of me testing the umbrella, the Wi-Fi umbrella, I just wanted to go over a couple of things so you can get an idea of what was going on with the testing. Now this is where I tested over here. This is Cusworth Hall. It's probably one of the highest places around Doncaster. It looks down on Doncaster, and if I get my highlighter pen here, then we should be able to take a look at that more closely. So that's Cusworth Hall, and that's where I was doing the testing. Now this estate here, I didn't point the antenna at this estate, so we can forget about this here. Now this estate here is in a dip. It's in a bit of a valley in between this position here and Doncaster Town Centre over here. Doncaster Town Centre is slightly raised up more than this area here, so I was basically cutting across the top of those houses, and because the majority of the routers in those houses will have a omnidirectional antenna, then because of the big nulls at top and bottom of a traditional omnidirectional antenna, I didn't expect to pick those up, not at this elevation. I could have pointed the antenna down a little bit more onto this estate, and I'm pretty sure I'd have picked up a lot more access points, but as it is in this test, I was skimming over the top, and the beam width that this was producing looked something like this, and then it kind of centered on this area here. So I was completely missing off this small estate here, and then this one here as well. There's also a big group of trees just here as well, and you could probably make it out on the camera, which also adds to stopping the line of sight to this estate here. But the majority of the access points I was picking up were all in this area here. The French Gate Centre, which is the shopping centre in Doncaster Town Centre, I was picking up quite a few access points on their free Wi-Fi that they were broadcasting. Extremely strong as well. I didn't expect them to be quite so high, but Vista Stumbler, although I like it, it's a good indication of Wi-Fi strength. It does have a couple of glitches when you're looking at the real long range stuff. I don't think they were truly around the 90s and 100% that it was showing. It is a bit of a glitch, as I say, but I was super impressed with the amount of access points that I was able to pick out at Doncaster Town Centre. The distance is just over 1.5 miles there, and we don't have total line of sight. The weather conditions were a little bit of low lying cloud as well, as you can see in the video, which again is moisture, contains moisture. It will also affect the test as well, but as a long distance test, I think it turned out really well. So here's the footage, and I'm sorry I didn't scroll down all the access points, but it did pick up quite a few, and you can certainly see that we're getting good signal strength. And you can look at some of those access points as well, because they're named after the businesses that have them, and you can basically pinpoint them out on this map. I'll probably do that sometime and just upload a JPEG somewhere, but definitely a lot of those access points I know from the businesses that are in Doncaster Town Centre. I was picking those up, but again, I don't know if they were quite as high with Vista Stumbler as Vista Stumbler was showing. I think basically I'm going to have to do a traditional war drive around this area here, which I haven't done for many years, and just test the signal strength with an omnidirectional antenna. But anyway, here's the footage. Hope you enjoy, and hope you give it a thumbs up.